Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, Akafada channel. Today you have to do pancake, fluffy pancake. If you want to see more of this and know how to do it, I bet you keep watching to the end of the video. And if you are new to this channel, I say a big welcome to you. If you yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe to that red button and make sure you turn up that notification bell so you'll be able to see more of my video whenever I upload. Now I have my oil. I have an egg. I have pepper, onions. I have milk. I have flour. I have sugar. I have salt. Now let's get started. Right here, I have my 2 cups of flour here. I pour it here. I've already sieved it. 1/3 of salt. 1/3 of salt of this teaspoon. Of sugar. 2 spoons of sugar. Ready. Next, I'm going to add is my oil. I have my oil here. It's enough for it. Next one is my egg. To avoid the shell entering it. So I pour the egg right inside the mixture. Next one is milk. I put like half tin of milk. I have 1 cup of water. Don't worry, you see everything. I have to make it to be too smooth. So let me, at this point, remember to add your baking powder. This is 1/4 of baking powder of this teaspoon. So you mix. So you can see our mixture. Bring it out here. Seal it. Alright. Set it aside. You can see our pancake. Now let's go ahead and put our onions. This is optional. If you want onions, you put. If you want pepper, you add it. But they are optional. That's the last thing. Next thing, let's go ahead and fry it. So let's go ahead and put our oil. Collect another teaspoon. The desired shape. Come out well. So you turn it to the other side. I see it's done. Bring it back to that fine pancake. Next one. How about this? Yeah. Guys, how do you see this? Very fluffy. So guys, if you love this video you're watching, please try and subscribe for me, share it and like it on my next video. Bye.